All right, so we're now in class 4. We're going to do exercise 5, class 4, exercise 5. So now we're going to store some JavaScript in the database or in the code or somewhere so that we have a persistent cross-site scripting attack, if you will. So before we were doing reflected, now we're looking at stored. So we're going to log in as admin and create 2 users and try a couple of different one. We're going to try to create an email address that looks bold, and then we're going to create an email address that has a script inside of it. All right, so let's go. Whoops. Oh yeah, here you can read on OWASP, you can read about the reflected, stored, and DOM-based cross-site scripting attack. Okay, so we're going to log in here. Whoops. Let's log in as admin user. And we're going to create a new user. So new user 1, U1, U1. Okay, and for the email address, instead of just a regular email address, we're going to put this basic HTML in there and see what happens. City of Doom, state also of Doom. Okay, and let's just add the user. All of a sudden you notice how this user email address is bold. So let's see what happened in the table here. Yeah. Where is our, now we have a table way up here. There we go. Notice how the email, actually, it's not just joe@example.com, but bold joe@example.com. So we're able to inject and store in the database this particular user's email address. Let's do another one. New user 2, U2, password U2, but this time we're going to put this script in, because the bold does cause the browser to behave, to misbehave. It's not the intended behavior, right? Somebody would wonder, why is Joe bold all of a sudden? So clearly it's misbehaving, but it's not actually executing code. It's just getting the browser to misbehave. City of Sorrento. Okay, so, and let's add another user. And now we get the cookie to pop out every time. So notice there's no actual result here. It looks empty. However, if we look inside the line below, we will notice that there actually is a script stored in there, or retrieved and placed in the table. Just to prove it to ourselves, let's look at these 2 users that we created in the users table. And sure enough, if you look at user 1, notice that their email address has literally stored the word bold in there. And this actually has alert, the JavaScript stored as their email address. So that is exercise number 5. We're able now to exploit with a stored cross-site scripting attack.